You're welcome back to my channel. My name still remains Lukman, and today we want to quickly look at how you can make money from this festive season and how you can position yourself to generate enough income this season. You know, Christmas season used to be a season where you spend a lot of money, where people buy a lot of things. And you know, to make money, you don't have to be a spender all the time. You have to be somebody who makes money. And in this tutorial, I want to teach you how you can make money from this festive season, and the number one business you can go into right now and make some money for yourself. If it's something you are interested in, then let's get into it. Okay, welcome back. You are welcome back to this channel. If you are a first timer to this channel, consider subscribing. Just click the subscribe button. You see the subscribe button right behind this right behind the video. Just hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. Click the subscribe button, then a bell will come out, a notification bell. Then press the notification bell. What that will do is that when next I release videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Then if you are a returning G, then you know what to do. Just share this video, share it, like it, share it to so many people. Let them benefit from this video, because you know we want this community to continue to grow. So welcome back. In this festive season, there are so much money that will be going around. No amount of economic downturn that will affect Christmas period. Christmas period, a lot of people will spend money. Either they like it or not, they are going to spend money. For instance, a lot of family will be buying foodstuffs. They will buy chicken, rice, vegetable oils. A lot of people will be traveling, and they are traveling. They need shoes, clothes, they need bags, especially women. They need bags, and some of them even need beauty products to enhance their beauty. They want to show off, because most of them will be traveling. They want to show off that I'm okay, I'm living large, I'm living good. And you can position yourself to make money. And how do you make money? You'll be helping a lot of people. You'll be helping them to get these products that they really desire. You help them to get it, and they will give you money. You collect your money. It's no big deal. And so the number one business that you can do this season is called e-commerce. And what do we do in e-commerce? E-commerce is simply buying and selling. The E there just stands for online. But this business I'm talking about, I'm telling you about, can be done offline. In fact, we are going to be doing it offline. Just follow my method. All I ask of you is that you watch till the end. Don't skip anything, because if you skip and feel you know anything and rush, you might miss out. I want to teach you my own method. Just learning my own method, because this is what I do. I've been doing every Christmas. Even before Christmas, I position myself and I make some money. So number one way to do this special e-commerce for this festive season is to buy some of these products we mentioned: clothes, fashion, beauty products, rice, vegetable and the rest, vegetable oil and the rest. Just, you can buy them, you can source for them locally. Just go to like Balogun Market, go to Trefia, International Trefia Market in Lagos. Just go there, get some of them, because you can get them cheaply. And the essence of e-commerce is to buy cheaply and sell at a profit. Just buy some of these products and position yourself online. You can start selling. Then number two is that, like a lot of, most family will be buying chickens, they will be buying rice and the rest. Just position yourself with farmers who raise poultry farmers who raise chicken. Just go to them, position yourself that you need chickens. Just get the chickens. get the chickens from them at a cheap price and sell to, you know, chicken sells a lot during Christmas, sometimes as high as 4,000, 5,000. So you can still buy from the farmers. If you go to their farms, you can buy for like 2,000. They can even sell to you like 1,700, 1,617, and just buy it, position yourself, and you sell. Even if you don't have money, you can still position yourself. Just enter an agreement with them, with the farmers. Once you enter an agreement, you have somewhere to showcase your chicken. Once you showcase your chicken, then people will buy. Once they buy, you go and return, go and give the money, the real money. Just remove your own your profit and go and give the main capital to the farmers. And that's number 2 way. The third way to do it is you can import from China. If you have not watched my video on mini importation, I will link it in the description. Just go to the description, go and watch that video. Watch, it's not a very long video. You can learn simply. Mini importation is something you can do from the comfort of your room without spending so much. With 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, you can start doing it. So this is what you do. You can buy from China. You can go to AliExpress, aliexpress.com or alibaba.com or 1688.com. They have cheap products there. Then you can bring them in. Once you bring them in, then you can start selling. You sell on this third party e-commerce like Jumia, Konga, soup.com.ng. A lot of them like Abari is owned by GTB. You can sell on any of them, and all of them are free. Just register with them, and once you register, for instance, if you register with Jumia, you see a banner where they wrote become a seller. Just become a seller, and in just 2-3 steps you are done. And once you register, just list your product, the product you want to sell. Get the picture from the website that you bought them from, for instance from 1688. Get the picture or video, post it on Jumia, open your own store on Jumia, post it on Jumia, and once anybody buys, they will credit your account. And you know Jumia pays every Thursday. Some people they pay them Friday, but me I get my money on Thursday. So once you collect your money, this season you can make a lot of, instead of just being a spender, then you can be somebody who earns in this commerce. I see so many people during Christmas, I want to buy this, I want to buy it. They've forgotten that you cannot become rich just buying and buying. The only way to become rich is to sell and make money. Make money, my dear brother. This thing is simple. Just make money. Position yourself, and it's a very simple thing. If you've got value from this video, just go to the comment box. Just write in the comment box good, or just write I'm interested or I am in. Just write in the comment box. And if you have any question, if you are not clear of anything, just ask me, because my own is just to bring this to your notice, because you might not be thinking about it. Just I brought it to your notice so that you can just go into it. If you are not clear of anything, just hit me up in the comment box. Let me know, and I will quickly attend to your question, to your questions. Until I come your way again, remain financially smart, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thank you.